Hey guys, if you are new here, my name is ChimereNicole. Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing a really quick hair tutorial. I wanted to take it back a little bit old school. I wanted to put some crimps in my hair. Now, I have been doing hair for well over 10 years and this hairstyle has definitely come back with a bang. So I wanted to do a hair tutorial and show you guys how I achieve this crimped hairstyle. So today I'm going to be featuring some hair from her hair company. I actually did a hair tutorial on how I got this color in my previous tutorial. So if you want to see how I achieved this hair color featuring this hair, I'll leave the link somewhere on the screen in one of these corners on how I achieved the hair color. But today I'm going to be doing a hair tutorial. I really like the way that these crimps came out. So it's been quite a while since I've done this hairstyle on myself or on anybody else. So it's really good to see that this hairstyle has come back full circle. Today I'm going to be using a crimping iron from a vendor on Amazon. It was actually pretty good. It was new. Like I said, typically when I'm doing this hairstyle, I'm using Marcel's, which are curling irons that go inside of a stove. So this was really good for me to get this style with a crimping iron that you can plug into the wall and you can purchase online. So with all that being said, we're going to jump right into today's hair tutorial and let's go. Okay guys, so we're going to get started with this tutorial. If you have not seen my previous tutorial, you will see how I curled my hair. I've had this wig now for about 2 weeks and I have not re-curled it since that tutorial. And as you can see, we still have some loose waves. The crimping iron I'm going to be using is from Amazon. I will leave the link for that in the description box, as well as all of the information for this hair. So to start this tutorial, we're going to separate the hair in two small subsections in the back. I just like to go down the middle. It just makes everything easier for me. And we're going to just brush out the rest of the kinks in this hair as well. Now I did spray a little bit of heat protectant on before I started the tutorial because I wanted it to dry just in the event I sprayed too much. So the section I'm going to be taking is about 1/4 of an inch thick, and I spray a little bit of holding spray onto the hair. Now the thing with crimping irons is it creates a wave, and in order for you to continue that wave, you have to get the barrel inside of the wave. I hope I'm making sense. So you basically follow the pattern and you don't want to disrupt the pattern, because if you do, your waves will not be uniformed. We are literally going to keep repeating this step throughout the entire head. Now what I like to do as well is, as the crimp is starting to set, I take a little bit of hairspray and I just help the wave kind of set inside of the uniform shape. Again, as you can see, you don't want to disrupt the pattern that you're creating with your barrel curling iron. I also wanted to mention that the hairspray that I'm using is a flexible hold, because I know I'm going to be combing these out within the next couple of days and I don't want the hair to be too hard. However, if you want to maintain this crimp style, I would suggest that you make your sections really thin, and I will also suggest that you use a stronger hold hairspray. Now, a little tip for crimping the front of the hair. This is a personal preference, but I don't like to have the barrel curler straight across because I don't want that line that just goes straight across my eyes. So I put my barrel on a little bit of a slant, and it just looks better when you're facing people. You just don't want to see two lines on the side of your head. So that's just a little bit of a tip. I'm going to complete this process on the opposite side. We're going to follow the same pattern, making sure that I'm spraying every time I crimp my hair, and then we're going to let it cool off, and then we're going to apply our wig. Okay guys, so that's it for today's hair tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. It was very simple and easy to do. The one thing about these crimps is that once they start to loosen up and they start to drop, you're going to get a nice pretty loose wave, so you get more bang for your buck with this hairstyle. As always, if you guys have not done so already, don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because we have a lot more hair tutorials coming up in the next few weeks, and I cannot wait to show you guys. Also guys, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at ChimereNicole, and I will see you guys in the next video.